Hello. Here is my latest altered book journal, and this one has been made from a book about roses, and the book is filled with beautiful illustrations and quotations about roses. And so what I've done is I've very carefully taken it apart and put back some of the pages, but I've also put back pockets and beautiful notepaper. So this would be a lovely journal for somebody. This would be a lovely gift for Mothering Sunday or a friend. I think it's quite female, really, quite feminine, and it would just be a lovely gift. This is the kind of gift you could give to somebody that you knew very well, and also to someone you didn't know very well at all, because you'll see it's just very elegant, I hope. Anyway, so I'll show the closure in a minute, but I've lined it with beautiful rose liner paper. I've made a pocket here, and I've just put in a couple of that was a spare page that I didn't use, and I've got a spare bit of liner paper there in case anyone wants to use it, but this could be used for anything, mementos or what have you. Here's the notepaper, more notepaper, and then here in the middle I've created another lovely little pocket, and in here is a handmade envelope, roses, and some notepaper to journal on. So that can stay in here or be used in any way that whoever gets this journal wants to. Notepaper. And the quotes are like this: "Summer perfected is a drowse of bees and roses," and that's by Helen Thompson. Lots of lovely inspirational quotes. This would be a lovely book to, if you're a poet, you could write out your poems in here, and it would be a lovely keepsake. In fact, you could do that. You could give it to someone, couldn't you, with your own writings in. This one has I've made a little window, and the idea for this is that you'll put a photograph in here, and I've just put this in as a sort of placeholder to show that it's open and you can put something in there. Let's see if I can line it up there. And then this paper is actually mixed media paper, so you could do a painting here. That'd be lovely. You could do acrylic or watercolour. And here's where I've sewn it in. I've just taped it over there to keep it very neat, especially if you want to you could do a spread here. You could do a big picture, and that would be lovely. What else? This is card, because this is the other side of where I made that pocket, so that's quite sturdy as well. You could do collage on there or anything. You could draw on it. Oh, and I've included a bookmark like this, and this is a little piece of Murano glass, and I hope I can show you this. It's got a little rose on it. Difficult to show. It has a sweet little pink rose on it. That makes a bookmark. I've included some graph paper. I thought that might be handy. And then here we have another pocket. I've put notepaper in there and a spare picture. More graph paper and notepaper. And then the back has a lovely rose liner paper. Now, as a closure, I have glued in pink ribbon on both sides, and so the way I see it is that you fold them round like this, and back, and this and back. Tie it in a bow. And there you have handy handbag size, pocket size journal. And this is truly one of a kind. There's no other journal like this. It's the only one I've made. And yes, it'll be for that one of a kind friend, or for yourself.